Set on nearly 3 acres, this is the kind of big sky property that people dream about. Wide open land, massive views in every direction, and a front row seat to the local elk herd as they pass right through. At 707 Crown Butte Road, you get the space, privacy, and scenery without giving up convenience. You're just 5 minutes from grocery stores, shops, and the hospital, and only 15 minutes to Big Sky Resort. With nearly 5,500 square feet, this classic Montana log home offers generous living spaces that feel both expansive and inviting. The home has been well cared for and professionally managed, with weekly inspections for over 10 years, ensuring consistent maintenance and long-term integrity. In 2017, the home underwent an extensive renovation, including a new roof, remodeled bathrooms, new flooring, and a full kitchen remodel with reimagined layout created by opening walls to improve flow and functionality. No expense was spared. Extra care was taken to reinforce the foundation where needed and level the floors. Updates that speak to quality you don't always see, but absolutely feel. Multiple entertaining zones, including a billiards area, dedicated gym space, and additional TV lounge, provide plenty of room to spread out, gather, and entertain. This home is equipped with new boilers and a fully modernized radiant in-floor heating system that can be monitored and adjusted remotely. 4 ensuite bedrooms create private retreats for family and guests alike. Being conveyed mostly furnished, this home includes a custom couch that anchors the great room, perfect for conversations around the gorgeous stone fireplace after a long day of skiing. This is Montana living. Nearly 3 acres, sweeping views, timeless craftsmanship, modern systems, and space to truly enjoy it all. Thanks for watching. Please reach out for your tour today.